Together, together, together we pray to Allah Ta'ala 5 times a day, it's a duty upon us. So never delay from the blessings of Allah, don't turn away. Together, together, together we pray to Allah Ta'ala 5 times a day, it's a duty upon us. So never delay from the blessings of Allah, don't turn away. It's the break of dawn and you know exactly what you must do. Wake yourself up and do wudu. Get ready for Fajr prayer, oh mu'minun. You know it's tough when sleep's in your way. You know Allah will help you awake. It's a refresher to start the new day. So get up, oh Muslims, it's time to pray. Together, together, together we pray to Allah Ta'ala 5 times a day, it's a duty upon us. So never delay from the blessings of Allah, don't turn away. Together, together, together we pray to Allah Ta'ala 5 times a day, it's a duty upon us. So never delay from the blessings of Allah, don't turn away. It's past midday, you look at the time, it's time for Dhuhr Salah. You gather in line with other believers side by side in one jama'ah for the sublime. After your prayer, you invoke praises to the Lord to whom you pray, asking Him what your heart desires, knowing that He will show you the way. Together, together, together we pray to Allah Ta'ala 5 times a day, it's a duty upon us. So never delay from the blessings of Allah, don't turn away. Together, together, together we pray to Allah Ta'ala 5 times a day, it's a duty upon us. So never delay from the blessings of Allah, don't turn away. It's hours past midday, it's time again to gather and pray. You pray for rak'ah with the Imam, always on time, never too late. Maghrib comes over an hour away, you prepare yourself to pray again. Adhan is called in the masjid, you stand in prayer for Allah's sake. Together, together,